aka Manu Taxi Bandit. Or sharing special moments like me getting jumped by 15 Palanges just because the groom wanted to play beer pong. It's all good though. I'm just here to make it clear on why it's still Mary Manu. Here are 3 reasons. First one is he got good taste. He did make me the best man after all, you know what I mean? He kind of wearing the same outfit as me. Number 2, when he loves hard. It's nothing this man wouldn't do for me. Matter of fact, he kind of spent 20 years doing nothing for me, you know. see what you got to look forward to it still. Finally, I guess you could say he's a good-looking guy. Yeah. Standing from right here, you could have done better, baby girl. Sorry, Cat. You know what I mean? That was just a joke. Anyways, all jokes aside, like I said before, you know, when Manu loves hard. You know, still you're in good hands. Manu, every day I hear this guy talking about, she's the love of my life. And when the phone rings, it says, Queen. And it's still, Manu, I know it still loves you, because she said I do, man. Said I do, man. I'm trying to figure out why. It's all good, you know? She said I do, bro. Don't mess it up, man. I'm gonna have to get Joe and Mike. Shots of that movie. Yeah. Now I'm kind of buzzy right now. Anyways. Time to get serious. And man, I love you. I love everything that you do for me and my family, especially for the love that I see that you show us still. You know, I look more than you, more than the cousin, man. You're more like an older brother to me. You know, sometimes I gotta be the older brother, but more than anything, brother. So it's still Manu, I love you. Cat, I love you. Manu and Stell, I love you guys. Thank you for making me part of your guys' special moment. I wish you guys many more years of blessing in your guys' marriage. And that's basically it. Cheers.